so in love with NESHA, this forever. She a keeper and know she can be a diva. I do whatever to please her. My other half, my equal, it come to her, then I'm lethal. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you. Can't get my mind off NESHA. No matter where I go, I got my mind on NESHA. This forever, she a keeper. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you for real.
What's up, YouTube, y'all? Y'all can tell right now, it look dark right here, but I'm outside right now, y'all. So look, I'm about to run to McDonald's. NESHA asked me to get her some food, so I'm about to run to McDonald's, get her some food, and I'm about to be coughing all over and spitting on her, you feel me? It's about to be crazy. I need y'all to spam it up in the comments, Team DolceAndNesha. I gotta hurry up because I don't want to get caught on this camera out here, you feel me? But look, y'all, once I get back, it's going down. So like this video, get this video 5,000 likes, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. We dropping up bangers. Let's get it, gang. NESHA, your food here. Hurry your ass up before it get cold, not you.
Thank you. I said thank you, nigga.
Get a nugget.
Oh, I know these kids, huh?
Let me get a nugget.
Why you ain't get none?
Let me get one, fuck.
Why didn't
I
you
went
get
on
none?
record because I feel like getting, my stomach hurts, so I don't want to eat no big ass meal.
So you want to eat one nugget? You could have got a 4-piece.
I want like 3 of them.
Hey, you should have got a 4-piece.
You can eat 7? The fuck?
That's pointless.
No, that ain't pointless. Come on, so I eat. I'm about to take your whole food.
You're not about to take none of my food. You should have got
Once I'm that make my stomach feel better, that Chipotle fuck me up. Dang.
So why you ain't get one?
Fuck, I'm gonna get one for.
And I'm about to go eat the room anyway. I don't know why you helping around.
Everybody go in the room and eat. You about to eat right here.
Why?
Well, you ain't about to eat right here, but you about to give me some.
No.
You is about to give me some.
You can get one.
Give me one.
One.
Come on, so I can open back in here. Stomach hurt. Can you give me one? Give me your bag. You about to funny with food? The fuck? When I went to bought it and got it?
You ain't even know how to say you welcome.
What I'm saying you welcome for?
I said thank you.
Oh, you welcome.
Don't say shut up.
I didn't say shut up. You got fries. You still the bitches in the bag already, goofy?
Yeah.
You was a dummy. You ain't even got no more in here. Damn.
You really my bad.
Can I get a nugget? You about to act funny with your food?
You gotta be fucking kidding me, Andy. Why the fuck would you do that? Why would you cough on my nugget?
Well, this bitch dry. What the fuck?
Cause you ain't got no sauce. Why would you do that? I don't want those. What you gonna do with those?
Snack nuggets in my face and shit.
Why would you cough on my food?
They got me sick or something, probably.
So that means pick up all my food and cough on it. That was so ignorant. Like, you know I wanted that food, so why would you do that?
I ain't cough on the nuggets. You about to cry?
Yes, I am because I'm hungry.
You got fries right here.
Why you keep doing that? Why do you keep coughing in my food? Like, I don't want your germs. That's so nasty.
My throat dry.
Okay, so you wait until I take my food out to start coughing on my food. Why did you even pick up all my food?
I'm about to clean this up. Here go one right here left.
I don't want that.
You gonna smack my whole face in my eyes?
It don't matter. I don't want that.
They just pissed
How I know you didn't cough on that?
I got salt shit in my eyes.
Oh, you got spit on my food.
It wasn't even no spit came out. Spit ain't come out my shit.
How you know?
Don't know for a fact.
How you know?
You gotta eat this?
What I'm gonna do with work? No, don't touch
Let me get the ones in the bag.
No.
Can I get the fries? You get the other one on the
Can
floor.
I get the fries? I'm hungry. I'm crazy.
Eat shit. I can't even eat.
Why would you do that?
Why can't eat?
Like, who would possess you to do that?
You starving that much, but you gonna throw your food, your whole meal on the floor.
I'm not eating nobody's spit. You right. I'd rather
Now you got some
starve.
shit in my eyes.
I could go up there and get my own food. Now, if that was so ignorant, I'm just eating the car. Like, what was your point?
My throat dry.
Like, really, what was your point?
What's up? Stop hitting me and shit. Damn.
What was your point? Don't touch my shit.
What?
Why is you on my shit?
You about to cough on your shit or something?
Why do you have my stuff?
You about to spit in your shit or something?
You are.
You don't want to give me the fuck.
Ooh, you got.
Move, cause you said that like I'm a lame ass nigga, so like I need to drink.
I'll be wrong if I just smack the fuck out of you. What's the point?
You're doing way too much.
Why are you doing that to me?
Lonnie J got me sick or something.
So that means they get me sick.
How the fuck you gonna get sick if you
Y'all
don't
can take medicine, I can't.
Get on my face, move, and stop hitting me and shit.
It don't matter, why would you do that?
I ain't do nothing.
Like, how old are you? You act like you was a fucking 2-year-old. Like, that shit don't make sense to me.
You a 2-year-old, you knocking food out my hand and shit cause I'm hungry.
Because
like, who get mad cause
I don't care if you was hungry. I let you get some food.
You ain't gonna get nothing, so I'm gonna get one. But then I cough by mistake. Wow.
You
Why?
called
What
my
the
mistake.
fuck
You
you do?
called 3 times over all my shit.
I
right?
coughed 1 time and then you knock all your food out my hand.
I don't know where
your whole
your
meal
spit-
on the floor right now.
I don't know where your spit droppings went. I'm not gonna eat your spit. That's disgusting.
You sound stupid as fuck. How you gonna eat spit? You can drink spit. You can't eat. Can you chew spit?
If it's on my food,
Hold on.
it's
Can
going
you
in my
fucking chew
mouth.
spit? Tell me right now. Fuck.
Don't fucking talk to me like I'm a
Get this
child or I'm
up. Can you get
retarded.
this up?
When you the slow.
I ain't never slow. I'm slow because I was hungry. If my stomach hurting, I'm hungry.
So you pick up my food and cough on it.
Hey.
Just because you wanted to have them. That's grimy. That's kid
I started
shit.
to eat a piece and then a little
That's
shit.
kid shit.
My
How many
little-
times you coughed on my shit coming in the house?
I ain't cough on it. It was in a bag.
That wasn't other guy that you make you did it in front of me. Don't do that.
What you mean? You about to clean this up?
I'm about
Or
to
you about to eat
shit up. I'm
these?
so aggravated. Like stop playing.
I'll go back up there and get you
Stop playing.
some.
I go get my own food because I'm not alright.
Let me go get it.
I'm
So I
good.
can eat one.
No, I'm good.
Because I don't want a whole meal.
I'm good. Watch out. Where the keys
Oh
at?
my God.
That don't make
The
sense.
keys in my shoe room. They're cleaning this up. They're just gonna throw some shit on the floor and then walk back.
Aggravated. I could have just
There's
cooked
another
some
little
food.
piece. Huh?
Damn.
I'm making the one shit
I
tonight
don't want
anyway.
that shit.
So you about to eat that?
No, you sick. You might cough all on it. I don't want it.
I ain't even sick like that.
Don't cook me nothing.
Then you got Lonnie J pacifier right here, like she done did some bad shit over here in the store pacifier.
Oh, you did some bad shit.
I ain't do shit. Let me get some.
Don't play.
Can I get some?
Then I swear to God, you cough on this, I might punch you in your lip.
You gonna punch me
I
in
swear
my
to
smack
God.
me in my neck? That shit hurt worse than anything. So what the fuck?
Yeah, man. It ain't gonna hurt worse than your lip.
Stop playing with me. You know, you need to clean up some shit that Truman threw around.
It don't matter. You should never did that.
Stop playing with me.
That's grimy.
What you got in there? What is burnt?
Why you worried about it?
That shit stank
It's
too.
so ignorant, right?
What I do?
I ain't even hungry, man. Pure ignorant.
I need this bag anyway. You ain't need the fries that was in there, did you? Because I just put these other stuff. Or you can just eat it all together. Give it to Lonnie J or something. What you doing? I'm throwing the food in there. Can I clean up and throw the food away? The fuck?
Stop talking to me. You just piss me off. Like, you just do ignorant shit.
You do ignorant shit you on my waist. Swinging
Watch
waves
this.
and shit.
Watch
Knees and
this.
shit.
You wanna be ignorant? You wanna play with me food?
I ain't do shit to your food.
It don't matter. I got a whole ass baby in me. I'm hungry 24 motherfuckers.
The baby ain't hungry, the baby ain't
I
hungry.
eat and I turn around and I'm hungry again. I'm trying not to be a fat bitch, but you wanna be ignorant.
Too late for that. It's like, you ain't fat, but you is a bitch sometimes, man. What
You ain't
doing?
seen shit yet.
What you doing? So dirty ass.
Where the fuck?
See her?
Don't touch me.
Why's poking
Where's the keys so I can go? Move the fuck off of me.
I'm in a good mood.
Where's the keys? You in a good mood. I ain't in no motherfucking good mood.
I am.
Well, I'm not.
I had the keys in here. Where you go?
I would have been in a good mood, but you always trying to ruin somebody. You fucking.
I ruin your mood because you the one that did some dumb shit and
What I do done?
you ordered some McDonald's that we don't eat.
What I do done?
That wasn't up a guy.
If that's what I want, that's what I want.
What
What
you do
I
to
do
this?
done?
What you do to this?
What you do with it? Your spit in there.
Tasty.
All you had
Get
to
the
do is
keys.
go on.
The fuck?
I swear
You
you
going?
feel like a fucking child. Will you
How you
do
like
one?
the keys? No.
Because you do.
You want me to go? Come on.
Soon as the mama get that
If I go,
drink.
I'm about to get two
Soon
of
as
them.
the mama get a drink. Soon as the mama gets some food, here come the big ass head kid in her
Big ass head
face.
kid, so you
Want
can put my head
something.
big
Now
and
look at your big headed
You
ass.
can put my head
Acting
big
like a
and shit.
motherfucking 2-year-old.
Move, go ahead,
Just
move.
fucking with all my shit. Move.
Press your face.
Now you just
Don't
gonna get
press
my
your
head.
face. I ain't do shit. I ain't smacking
You
your
just
head.
made me hit my head on the refrigerator.
So you gonna blame that shit on me because you bagging it back and slow
You
because
just
you
made me
hungry.
hit my head on the
You the
refrigerator.
hungry one, not me. Can I wipe my lips while I get some wipes and
You
stuff?
ain't hungry, but you took my
Drugs.
food. But you took my food and coughed it like a child because you wanted it.
This.
But you in the stomach, knocked out your hand, you expected to go somewhere and go off to the cut and eat it. While I'm going with an attitude and stuff with nothing, right? Right?
Shake my baby
Right?
head.
Yeah.
What these kids
Drop
doing? Go
that
upstairs,
motherfucker.
Lonnie J. Go in your room.
Don't worry about honey.
Yeah, don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
No, just stop
Let
talking.
me see. They ain't
Why
hard.
are you touching
They
my
don't
hair?
hurt no more. Let me rub
Why?
my
I
stomach.
don't want you to.
Can I rub the baby? The baby hard as fuck.
Can you go bunch of them? But leave me alone.
Can you go back to let me alone. Fuck is you?
Leave me
The
alone.
fuck is you? The fuck is you?
Stop playing with
The
me.
fuck is you?
Stop
What you
playing.
gonna do?
I'm about to go.
Hey, let me
Come
go.
on, where's my purse?
Let me go.
Matter of fact, you buy here.
I'm about what?
You buying it this
I'm not
time.
buying shit.
Yes, you are.
You take my whole wallet. It's like, give me my shit.
No, move.
Give my wallet. What the fuck is you doing? Goofy?
You're paying for my food. I paid for it the first time. You what you about to eat out of the garbage?
I'm about to look at this shit.
For
I'm
what?
gonna eat it.
You ain't getting none.
Go ahead on, so you won't get water on yourself.
Bye,
Go on.
bye, bye, bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. So dirty ass out of here. Get up out of here.
I am.
Real quick.
I am real quick.
Before I spit in your food again. Banger. 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 Let's go get her ass before she get all the way out here. Get her ass good. You about to go get you something?
What?
You about to go get you something?
Why you got a camera? Why you got a camera?
This is a prank, Goofy.
What's the prank? Spitting my
Well,
food?
I still cough. I ain't spitting there. Well, I did spit and cough. But it was a coughing on your food prank.
So do I got some more hidden in this bitch?
Hell no, but you can go get it. Bye-bye. Go get it. All right, you want me to go? I go. You want me to go?
No, I don't. I don't trust you.
I'm cooking tonight anyway.
I don't want your food.
But you ain't about to go? Bye. Come on, get in the car and go. Or I'm about to go. You
Go
mad?
in the house.
Prank your ass. Pranked her ass. Y'all, I just pranked NESHA so good, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Team Dolce in the building. Spam it up in the
I
comments.
swear to God, I'm coming back with something crazy because you don't play with a pregnant
Move,
person.
you don't play with me.
Do you understand?
Fucking she talking about you don't play with a pregnant person. You don't play with me.
You could at least got me a backup.
Well, I ain't get you no backup. I'm about to cook.
I don't want your food.
Why your big head ass all close like that?
Because I
don't
want
your
chicken
food.
nuggets.
Well, go get
Don't
it.
show my face breaking out now.
No, it ain't.
Everybody be talking about what you put on your skin, what y'all put on yours. My shit's dry.
Y'all supposed to put none on your skin. I see some people wash their face with soap. You don't never supposed to use soap on your face.
Hell no, that dry your face out.
Especially a black
I
person.
never, let me shut up.
Get in the car. You go get your food.
I don't know when you feel like going, you going.
I'm not going nowhere.
Since it was a prank.
I'm about to end this. All right, so I'm about to end this video, y'all. I just pranked NESHA. Yeah, I go. I just pranked NESHA so good, y'all. Coughing on her food. If y'all like this video, y'all want to see me do more videos messing with her food. You feel me? Even though she pregnant. Let me see.
Don't mess with my food, you might get killed.
Touching it. All right, y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna see Dolce in the building. Gang, get this video to 5,000 likes, and you already know what it is. Bangers.
Shut up.